Hi, welcome to KapilGuru branded mobile application. So when you have a branded mobile application from KapilGuru, your application will be completely available on the Play Store on your own coaching center name or on your own individual name. So having a mobile application which gives the more credibility for your businesses and for your teaching career. Imagine that this is your branded mobile application. When you have a branded mobile application, instead of Kapil Guru, it will display your logo or your name or your image. As a student, when I downloaded your application, after downloading, I'm going to the login. Here I have a login credentials. So here I will go to the login. When I click on a login, I will get an interface. So just I will give you the glance like what are the features available to the student, because this is an interface of a student. What are the options available to the student, and how he is going to utilize this mobile application. So just I will give you a glance here. So first student downloaded. I am a student and this is your mobile application. I have downloaded your application. So when I downloaded, I can see live courses, I can see recorded courses, I can see study materials, and I can see free lectures. So these are the different tabs available on your mobile application. So here what you can do is you can upload your live courses, you can upload your recorded courses, study materials, and free lectures or demo lectures. See, you have an option that you can upload your live courses, recorded courses from the mobile application, as well as we are giving an option that you can come into our website and you will get a separate dashboard. From the dashboard you can upload all your study materials, recorded courses, live courses, and other options. The student click on this live courses option, click on this live courses, so he will take to a separate page. In this page he can see all the live courses uploaded or created by you. So he can register by seeing the more details like upcoming batches, or he can see the course syllabus, course description. So he can see all the required details and he will directly enroll for the live course, or if you have any doubts he will directly contact you for more details. And next he have an option recorded courses. So recorded courses is the option where you can upload a course into a recorded mode. Example, you can record all your course like into 10 videos or 20 videos or 5-6 videos, whatever it may be, how much the size it is, that doesn't matter. You can upload all your recorded course and you can set your own price to that recorded courses, and you can ask your students to buy it from your mobile application, from your own branded mobile application. So the students when they downloaded the application, they will join for live course. If they don't have a time for the live courses, they will buy the recorded courses. So once you upload it into your mobile app, the students whoever downloading your app will know they will go to the recorded courses and they buy it from your the option recorded courses. And next they have option study material. So if you want to sell your study materials, you want to sell your content, you can upload your content here. So when he click on this tab, it will redirect to a page where he can see the content uploaded by you. You can set a price to that. Like example, I teach some subject, I teach some course, or I teach some skill. I want to upload the content of that particular subject or course. So when you uploaded the content, you can set your own pricing like 500 rupees. So you can inform the same thing to your offline students and online students. If you want a material, you can download our app and you can ask them to buy it from your own branded mobile application. And as well as you have an option to set here your free lectures, as well as it's also known as a demo lectures. So what you can do is you can create a free lecture on a trending topics. So the students whoever downloaded the application, when they click on the free lecture tab, it will take to a page where they can see all the available free lectures. They will register, and when they registered, you can give the best in the lecture and you can ask them to join for your live courses, or you can ask them to buy the recorded courses or study materials. So there is an option where you can conduct the live lectures. So here you have an option not only to create the courses, you can also conduct the live classes from your mobile app itself, as well as the students can also attend the live classes from the mobile app itself. And apart from that, this top cards, you have other options: my courses, my free lectures, collections, certificates, exams, and messages. So these are the 6 options available to the students. So from my courses, my free lectures, my collections. So these are the options which is available to the student when he registered for any of the live course. So that will be available in my courses option to the student. Example, this is the course I registered for the live course, so it will be available. So when I click on view more, it will go to the page. From there I can join the live class. And here I have a option my free lectures. So free lectures, if I have registered for any of the free lecture or demo lecture, it will be available in this particular tab. So as well as I have another option my collections. So my collections is the option where example I have bought 3 recorded courses and I have bought 5 study materials. So all the byte data will be available in the my collection tab. In I have recorded courses whatever I bought, so I can view all these recorded courses or all the study materials which I bought. I can view all it from my collections. So the recorded videos or recorded courses he can view only from the mobile app. He cannot download or he cannot view out of the mobile app. So your data will be completely secured. So my collections is the option for students, because as this is a student login. As well as certificates, when he complete a live course or when he complete your recorded course, if you want to provide a certificate for that particular student, the certificate will be generated automatically, and the certificates will be available here to the student, from where he can take the certificates from this option. As well as there is the other option exams. So exams is the option if you want to schedule an exam to the students, if you have scheduled an exam for the particular course, so those scheduled exams will be available here to the student, so he can directly attend the exam from this tab. And next we have a option messages. Messages is the option from where we can have a two-way communication. You can chat with the student, or student went through your mobile app, he want to discuss something with you, so he can directly go to the messages and he can chat with you if they have any queries. And registered students also will ping over this use this chat option or messages option to come in interact with you. As well as here you can see that apart from these 6 options, my courses, my free lectures, my collection, certificates, exams and messages, so here we have another option live courses. So it will display when you upload your live courses or when you create your live courses. Example, I have created a live course artificial intelligence. The duration is 45 days, price is 10,000 rupees, and I have created a subject like social studies. So duration for 3 months I teach chapter 1 to chapter 10. So fees is like 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. So you can create whatever you can teach in a live mode. So I have created these courses. So as a student I will go through this. When I click here I will get more details like what are the upcoming batches I have, what is the course syllabus. When you click on course syllabus, it will show as a PDF. When you click on view PDF, the student can view the PDF. And next they have the option course description and course duration, price and what other things. So students will go through all the details, and if he has a further queries, directly there is a option contact now button. So directly the student will click on contact now, and what he do is directly he will talk to the teacher. So these are the live courses. You can create unlimited live courses and you can conduct the live classes from our mobile app itself. And when you conduct the live classes, it will show you the attendance of the student, whoever attending the live classes, course progress and many other features are available. There is a one more option, recorded courses. So recorded courses, example, here I have a different recorded courses. So I have a recorded course like Java. Like example, I teach Java. What I do is I record all my course syllabus and I upload it. I have an option to upload from the mobile app, as well as I can we will provide you a dashboard. You can also upload from there. We can upload and we can set a price to that, so students can go through the details, more details, by clicking on the courses, and they can buy it and they can view it in the mobile application itself. So whenever the student buys it, their revenue will be added. So this is the recorded courses, and you can see that here we have given a categories to make student easier. They have option live course, recorded course, study material, free lecture. When they click on this every option, directly it will take to that particular page. So free lecture is an option if you are if you want to conduct a demo lecture of 1 hour or 2 hours on a different trending topics. So you can ask your students, if you want free lecture, if you want a demo lecture, you can download our app and attend for the free lecture. So you can give the best in the free lecture, and you can ask the students to register for your course or live course, or you can ask them to buy the recorded videos. So you can conduct free lectures. So this option will be available when you create some free course, or else it will not display here. So next there is the option study material. Study material is the option from where, example, I have uploaded study materials for different courses. So when you upload a study material for the different courses, like example, I teach mathematics, so I can give the material, as well as I can give the test papers, I can give the important questions list. So I want to sell it for 50, 100 or 500. So you can upload it and you can inform your offline students, online students. If you want materials or content, you can download our mobile application and you can go through the details and you can buy it directly from that. So student can view or read all the study materials whatever he buy. And next here we have the option gallery. So you can upload all your pamphlets, brochures or images related to your organization or your awards, rewards, whatever it may be. You can give in the gallery option, so student will go through it. And apart from that, we have provided option testimonials. So student can write a testimonial, as well as you can request the students to write a testimonial on that. So those testimonials will be available here in the rotational basis. As well as here we have the option let's get in touch. So student went through all those things and he want to get in touch with you. So he will write a message and he will send here. So immediately the message will reach you. So in your login, like this is a student login. When you log in your app, you will get the message over there. So you can reply to that message, or you can call the student and you can ask them to join the course, right? As well as you can directly you can provide your number, email and address and all those things. And here we are giving you option. Example, if you are a coaching center or you are individual trainer, you want to say something about yourself. So if you want, you can record a small video of your organization or about yourself. And here you can, like in this area, you can give a, like when you upload a YouTube link, so the same thing will be displayed here to the students, so they can play this video, know more details about you or about your organization. So you will also have a provision or option to upload a video about yourself. So here this is the home page of the application. So simple, we have created such application where you can play everything, like you can conduct live classes, you can sell your recorded courses in your own mobile application, as well as you can upload your study materials and you can sell it, you can conduct free lectures. So here this is the option. And here example, if you are conducting the live course, so you have 2 students enrolled from this, and you have other 2-3 students in your organization or in your contacts. Consumes our time to take the class for 2 students in an hour and other 3 students for another hour. So what we can do is we are giving an option here that you can add students to your live classes and you can conduct only single session. Like example, I have 2 students enrolled from this mobile application and 5 students are in your contacts. You can add these 5 students in this mobile application and you can conduct a single session. So we will give you detailed demo when you buy this or subscribe for this mobile application. So apart from this, we have an option here, upcoming schedule. So upcoming schedule is the option. It will showcase your complete schedules, like what are the classes, live classes you need to take today, what are the free lectures you need to take today. So you can directly check it out here, not you, the student, because when he registers for a live course, whatever it may be, free lectures, when you click on upcoming schedule, directly he can join the live class from there. And here we are also giving a option, mark attendance. Mark attendance is an option we are providing. Right, example, if you have offline students, you can ask your offline students when they are entering into the coaching center, when they are entering into your classroom, so you can ask them, see, download our mobile applications, daily you need to mark your attendance from your app. So when they click on mark attendance, what it does is it takes the date, it takes the time, exact time and date, and it will send that marked attendance to you. So you can check all the attendance records from your login. So we will explain, when you subscribe, we will explain you the complete interface of the trainer, how the trainer interface will be, and how you can upload from a desktop, how you can upload from mobile application, how you can track your attendances. So here mark attendance is the option which you can use it in a best way, that you can ask your all the students, offline students and online students, to download mobile app, and you can ask them to mark attendance daily, so they can mark in and they can mark out, so that records will be stored and will be sent it to you. So directly you can check it out. So that will the standards will give the more credibility to the organizations or for your individual trainers. So apart from this mark attendance, we are also giving a option in your mobile application the option is like, say example, some xyz person paid 10,000, you can note it, and installment, first installment 5,000, second installment is 5,000 rupees, and you can give that expected date, payable date is like after 10 days. So what we do is it will remind you after 10 days exactly, so that you need to call so and so student for a second payment. So directly you can call and you can, so you will get reminders, you will get an option, so you can you can go through that options, and you can directly follow up the people for the payments. So, and also you can follow up, and apart from that you will get the complete information, like what are the total amount collected in this month, what is the first installment you get, what is the second installment yet to get. So you will get the complete information from the mobile app itself. So you can, by this mobile application, you can manage your offline students, as well as you can manage your online students, as well as you can conduct live classes. You don't want to go to any third party apps to conduct the live classes. You can conduct live classes in the mobile app itself, as well as you can record and you can store all your contents, and you can sell it from this mobile application. And we have many more features, but as this is a small demo, just I want to cut off here. So one thing I want to add before cutting off, see here, whenever you are adding the live course here, whenever you are creating the live course, so here we have an option that you want to display it in the KapilGuru website or not. That is the option available to you. When you say yes, it need to display in KapilGuru website, the same created live course will be displayed in KapilGuru website. The benefit of displaying in KapilGuru website is, see, there is a branded app belongs to you, so you will get some traffic on this particular app, and parallelly in KapilGuru also you will get a traffic. So if the students are interested, when they click, they will also same option there available, like contact trainer and other thing. So the students can directly call you. You can ask them to download the app, to register live classes, to buy the recorded classes. So simple thing is, when you are creating a live courses, there is option whether it need to display in KapilGuru website or not. If you said yes, it will display. When it display, definitely you will get calls, and you will get a good number of business from there. So apart from this live classes, I want to add, we are not just supposed to give the mobile app, we are here to give you the business branding and benefit. So you are getting a branding through this mobile application, as well as we want to give you the business. That is the reason we want to display your courses in the KapilGuru website. So we will explain you how the website, what is the benefit benefits when you display your courses in KapilGuru website detailedly. You are supposed to get a business here. So how you are supposed to get business? We are going to provide you the inquiries. Example, if you teach Java, Python or Oracle, so we will give you some sort of inquiries, like the students who are interested to learn Java, Python and Oracle, we will send their inquiries numbers to your dashboard or to your mobile app, from where you can look over there and directly you can call the students. So you can explain regarding all the training details, and you can ask them to register for live courses, or you can ask them to register by the recorded courses, or you can ask them to come offline and join. So we provide you the inquiries. So we provide you the mobile application, branded mobile applications. So it's a branding, and we are giving the business by providing the inquiries. And parallelly, what we do is we give you the poster, weekly one poster, which is used to promote yourself. So we create a poster, example XYZ technologies or XYZ person download this mobile app and learn these courses. We give attractive posters every week. We send you a mail, so you can use that poster to post in your social medias, or you can keep it as a status, upload as a status, so that the students or viewers, whoever look over that, they download the app, and they buy the recorded courses and all those things. So we provide you weekly a poster. You don't want to hire a designer to promote your application or to promote your business. We create a poster for you every week, and you can use that poster to upload in your social medias. As well as one promotion video, we create a video on your XYZ technologies, and we speak about you, and we speak about your organization, about your application, about your courses in a promotional video, and we give that promotional video. So you can use that promotional video like to post or promote your app in your social medias. So here we are here to give you the branding, business and benefits, and we are also upgrading or updating more things in this mobile application. So this is a one-stop solution where you can manage all the things. And thanks for your time.